Hey, what's up guys, it's Hypercuber, and today we have an unboxing from the cubicle.us. So, I actually ordered this more than a week ago and it came in a little late, but that's understandable since the cubicle is currently back ordered. So, first we have a cubicle bag, which looks a lot nicer than my last one. My last one was actually pretty... It came pretty worn out of the box, so that wasn't... If you guys can see, it's pretty wrinkled. This one came a lot nicer, though. So that's nice. Let's put that to the side. Next, we have the free cubicle stands. Just one. No, there should be two. That's fine, okay. So then we have a Guoguan Yuexiao, however you pronounce it. And then also a Qiyi Skewb. And then, oh yeah, the little milieu screwdrivers, that's nice. And then one replacement screw and spring for my Mega Mix. That's nice. So let's put those to the side. Okay. And of course the business card. So let's get to the Skewb first. Don't care about the box. It's a nice plastic wrap and it comes with one of those tensioning tools, so that's pretty nice. My current main is a milieu Skewb that I've restickered. It's pretty nice. I don't know, it's just sometimes locks up like that, and it sometimes pops also, so I've been looking forward to getting a new one. It's pretty sandy. Let's try some stuff. Oh, it's definitely faster than the milieu. Yeah, I can tell I'm gonna like this. It's a little more springy as well, but that could just be out of the box. Ah. Yeah, this is gonna have to get broken in, of course. Let's do a quick solve. Hand scrambles on the Skewb always go well. Okay, that's good enough. This is going to be slow. Pretty decent, especially out of the box. I'm looking forward to breaking this in and lubing it. It could definitely be my new main. Next, let's get into the main part of this video, the Guoguan Yuexiao, or however you pronounce it. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but oh well. So there's been a lot of hype around the Cuban community about this cube, and I've had some pretty high expectations, so let's hope it lives up to that. If I can open it, of course. There we go. What is that? Oh, there's hair under the sticker. What is this? Hopefully that sticker will stay down. Sorry if that was out of view. Okay, well, it's very fast. It's pretty sandy out of the box. I'm going to need to break this in, but as of now it feels really nice. Let's try corner cutting. Oh, dang. Almost line to line. Almost. And reverses line to line easily. The logo is pretty nice. If you guys can see, it just says Guoguan in cursive. So, definitely a very nice cube. Stickers seem high quality, nice milieu shades. It was just that one blue sticker. Looks like it has another hair under it. That is weird. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's do a quick solve. Oh, that was a bad hand scramble. Oh well. Oh, pretty nice. It's definitely really fast. I might need to even try to slow it down a little bit, but as of now I can definitely see this being my new main. Currently my main is the Gans 356 with the new center caps. Thank you guys for watching my review. Please like and subscribe if you already haven't, and stay tuned for some new reviews of maybe these cubes or other cubes. Bye.